All right, we're on to another exciting part of our learning ukulele with ChordBuddy. And this song is Ba Ba Black Sheep. And some great things here. We're introducing our third chord. So you're going to be playing now the green button, which is the F chord, with your index finger. And we'll be using all three of the chords that we've learned so far. This is a 4/4 song, which means what? Right? It means that you do 4, 2, 3, 4, 4 strums per measure. All right? This also introduces something else. It introduces what we call in the music industry split bars, which means in the second measure, you're playing the F 2 strums, and then you're going back to the C 2 strums. In the third measure, you're doing the same thing, going back to the F and then back to the C. Alright, in the fourth measure, you're doing a split bar again, but you're going to the G, the red, 2 strums, and then back to the C for 2 strums. Check my tuning real quick here. Check your tuning regularly, guys. Very important that you always play your instrument in tune. Okay, because your ear is a muscle. It will learn what in tune and out of tune is, and you want it to learn what in tune sounds like. We're at beat 75 beats per measure here. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, play. Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives in the lane. Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Stop. Good job on that one. Was it more difficult to change chords, to add the third chord in? If it was, you can slow your metronome down, play it as slow as you need to. You can go, ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? As slow as you need to get it right. All right, on to the next song.